where Sir Topham Hatt is. What? You need to tell us where Sir Topham Hatt is.
We don't really know. It's probably in between Burger King meals right now, so...
He's over there, actually.
Oh, yeah. There he is.
Thanks, guys. Time to get my plans of action.
It's been a long time coming.
Let's go.
Get that fat controller.
You in, Timothy?
Of course. Are you Tim?
No.
Yeah.
You found his murders out firsthand.
Yeah.
And he found it out last. I was second.
Good point.
That evil controller.
Wow. I didn't know we were working for an evil guy all these years. I mean, I knew he was a...
Yeah.
You know...
I
Sounds like he might be going to be guilty.
I knew he was just before he stuffed himself with waffles.
Yeah.
I didn't know he was a murderer.
Yeah.
I didn't.
I love his whoppers.
And who would have suspected this? He was acting pretty suspicious. Let's ask him.
Sir Topham Hatt. Oh, Sir Topham Hatt. He comes over and says, yes, Thomas.
Oh, yeah. Are you responsible for the murders of Ben?
Or, Percy, yeah.
Are you responsible for the murders of Ben?
What? He said. He goes, no, how silly. Accidents happen, and those were tragic. But, no.
Accident? Someone pooped their pants.
What? Oh, boy. I don't know, Rosie says. I don't know, sir. It seems like there's a lot of compelling evidence that
You did.
might have at least helped in some kind of scheme to do away with some of these engines.
Hold up. Just a goddamn second front of a minute. That's the state bridge we fell off of.
Sir Tom Hatt's like, who said that right there? The voice sounded familiar. Oh, he goes. Whoa. That's an angry ghost train. Sir Tom Hatt's like, ghost train?
Oh my god. Oh, let's just get this over with. Yeah, we should. Anyway,
Yeah.
So basically that's the same exact bridge I fell off with. Except when he fell off the bridge, there was no holes. Oh no.
Right.
When I fell off the bridge, there was holes. Which means there should have been another, something happened to the bridge. Hold up. That bridge isn't finished, just like the one. Hold up. That bridge isn't. Hold up. That bridge isn't finished. The same one, like the one he fell off of. It's not finished for a reason. And guess what ended up happening to him when he fell off an unfinished bridge into the water? He died.
20 years later, you still haven't finished it? Sir, time to stop going to Burger King and get something
Wait a
done.
minute. You didn't finish that bridge for a reason. Yeah, you didn't finish it so you could kill us all.
What? Gordon's like, oh, you evil brute.
Ugh.
Wait, what?
Menace.
Sonny.
These menaces.
He doesn't treat us like we matter. He just sees us as pawns in his evil game. That's Thomas. Rudy's like, you might say that sounds ridiculous, but
Yeah, it's true.
it's kind of looking like...
Yeah, he looks like he's into this. He definitely looks like it.
Sir Tom Hatt's like, but those were evil trains.
So what?
No, I'm
Yeah,
not.
so you die?
Accidents happen. Of course they don't deserve it, but those were trains that were up to no good. Thomas is like, I don't know, sir. It sounds like you might have been involved in some way.
You killed my uncle! You killed my uncle!
Uh-oh.
My uncle!
I didn't even know I had an ancestor until earlier. No, I'm.
He's your uncle. You don't even know your uncle?
I know. I don't think my parents ever told me. Maybe because it's such a sad story.
Percy's like, they told me when I was like
Yeah.
12.
Percy's probably known. Maybe he had to keep his secret. Sir Tom Hatt's like, secret? Percy, you've known about this?
What? Know about what?
Your ancestor?
Of course I have. I heard about his death. I'm related to him.
Yes. My father told me about poor Crumb, too. Sir Tom Hatt's like, well, Crumb left now. He wasn't here. So...
How can Tim shoot fireballs?
Yeah.
It's just from that. When I was, it's kind of creepy, Chrome, but I was actually Me and some of the other dead people were following. Some of the dead people were following their other friends, and I was following you, and I saw the camera, but I could see a little glimpse of an eye
What the?
and a hat, and it looks like the top of hats.
Evil.
It looked like him. I knew it was him. It was on you.
Wait, is this true? Even I'm starting to think this might be.
Yeah. Dead people might have a bad sense of seeing, but that's definitely what I saw.
Why would you go after?
A whopper cheeked face, and and a black hat. Wow.
Just couldn't let it go, huh, sir? You even had to kill one of their friends? For shame, sir. For shame. Well,
Wow.
I guess I have to leave it up to the ghost trains now how to resolve this. 'Cause I don't think any of us want to work for you anymore.
Yeah.
Want to? He's evil. I'm out of here, said Sonny.
Yeah, me too.
Shove us around for too long.
I'm going back to India.
No, goodbye, my friend. Yeah, I'll find something else to do.
I'll go back to Japan.
China, here I come. Well, there they go. I'm not sure where I'm from, but I'm out of here.
I thought you were from someplace in Europe.
Yeah, that's right. It was Scotland. No, that's Scotland. Yeah, that sounds
I
right.
think you're from Scotland.
I do too. I'm just not the flying Scotsman. Bye, guys. Boy, the mystery even, they've had it. Cracker's like, you know what? I was honored to be
He said he
chosen.
did something wrong. He even said it in the freaking show. It's season 2, episode updated. I think it was called A Close Shave for Duck. He said he never believed Diesel, so he sent him packing. And he had an
Hear that,
evil
Diesel?
grin on his face. The evil marks near his eyes were even mad.
Oh my
The
god.
angry line thingies that stick up till he's mad.
Eyebrows?
Yes.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's all coming together now. There have been a lot of signs of how evil he was over the years.
Yep.
There have been a lot of signs of how evil he was, but I didn't notice. I don't know, said Rosie. That sounds crazy, but
It's true.
no, I believe the ghosts, and I think we need a new controller because this man is not fit to lead us.
I'm not gonna work for a murderer.
No. Same here, said Rosie.
I would like.
Trains and people, sir. I know you treat us like garbage.
You also murdered the people on his train.
Yeah.
If you murdered him, that also murdered his driver, his fireman, or at least they went to the hospital. I'm not sure if they. At least they went to the hospital. I'm not sure if they were alive or not. I was dead. I never spied on them. I don't know if they're alive or not, but I do know that the passengers died. I do know that.
Wow.
Because I killed half of them. Because I thought some of them were responsible, since they were in his train, I thought they were responsible for his death. So I shrunk myself, went into one of the coaches, and killed some of the passengers.
Wow. Where is it, Emily? I have no idea.
It's time. Hey,
Yeah.
hey,
Any last-
hey, Whopper!
Yeah. Any last words?
How's the dog and cat?
He's like, what is it?
Yes! Naughty!
Oh, he's-